Relationship building. As similar as some views of God may be, building a relationship with God is a quest an individual must take for oneself. Here are some steps you could apply to do so. Step 1. Remove physical measurements. Separate physical measurements from believing. Know God not only by measurable events, but through continual fellowship as well. Believing in God is done not by material means alone, but also by the development of your relationship and spiritual faith with Him. Step 2. Replace proof with trust. Replacing proof with trust, faith is an assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. No proof yet. Having faith involves deciding to trust without absolute certainty. Chances are you make decisions on faith daily. If you've ever ordered food from a restaurant, you have taken a step of faith. That particular restaurant might have a stellar customer rating and an amazing health score, but chances are you have never witnessed firsthand your food being made. You have to trust that the chefs have washed their hands when preparing your food. Seeing isn't always believing. There are still things science cannot measure, yet people still believe in them. Step 3. Stop trying to control everything. Believing in God requires you to understand that He created everything and that is in full control of everything. If you agree with that, then why try to control anything? Relinquishing control of certain aspects of your life does not mean that you are powerless. You can see God as a parent keeping you safe. It's important to remember that God is there to help you. Remembering that you're not in control of everything can be empowering. It can be relieving. Step 4. Everything happens for a reason. Don't think of bad outcomes as a result of God not listening or being present, but Him answering your prayers in a way that you haven't considered yet. God works in mysterious ways. Think of God as a teacher, helping you learn important life lessons, not just by giving you the answer, but helping you arrive at the answer by yourself. I would like you to understand this. Believing God can be gradual. Intentionally and actively build your generosity, empathy, your belief, acceptance, trust, and let go ability. That's a new word, but it'll come.